Your video editor can make or break your content, and if you're not using the right one, you're losing viewers. Simple as that. With so many options, it's easy to get overwhelmed, but no worries, I've got you covered. After years of editing, building, and running successful channels, I've narrowed it down to the top 3 editors that will instantly level up your videos. Let's get right into it. First up is CapCut, and trust me, it's here for a reason. This is the best beginner-friendly editor on the market, and the best part, it's totally free to use. Owned by ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, CapCut is their go-to editor for TikTok videos, but it's far from limited to that. CapCut works on all devices, online, Windows, mobile, so you can create polished, pro-level content for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you're posting. CapCut is like the Gen Z of video editors, coming in clutch with all the basic tools while packing powerful editing features for both beginners and pros. It's got thousands of free effects, templates, animations, transitions, text options, keyframe animations, and even AI-generated captions in multiple languages. The best part, its user-friendly interface means you can start editing with little to no learning curve, yet it's robust to deliver professional quality videos easily. Now, CapCut does get some hate and often gets dismissed as a bad editor due to how simple it is, but here's the truth. Many top creators use it, so it's underrated and honestly crazy good. The second video editor on our list is DaVinci Resolve, and honestly it might be the best deal in video editing. There's a reason so many creators and long-term editors are making the switch. First off, it offers both free and paid versions, with the base version being completely free, but packs with an impressive amount of pro-level features. Now, if you want to take things up a notch, the studio version is available for a one-time fee of $295, and it takes your editing game to a whole new level. But don't worry, whether you're using the free or paid version, you have more than enough tools to level up your videos. With DaVinci Resolve, you get all the cutting, keyframing, color grading, and audio tools the pros use. Plus, it's got dedicated workspaces for color grading, audio mastering, visual effects, and motion graphics. And let's not forget its clean, well-designed interface and fast render speeds, which are a huge win. Hollywood blockbusters, Oscar-winning movies, and top-tier TV shows rely on the studio version, while YouTubers love the free version because it's seriously robust. You get standard editing, motion graphics, effects, color correction, and audio editing all at your fingertips. Now, the only downside, it does take some time and effort to master due to its unique interface and workflow conventions. It's not difficult to learn, but you'll want to spend some time uncovering its power and rewiring your brain a little to get the most out of it. The third video editor on our list is Adobe Premiere Pro, and it's hands down the most popular editor out there. It's the industry standard tool used by professionals, but it's also perfect for creators looking to make impressive edits like MKBHD and Casey Neistat. So you can tell right away that it's packed with powerful features. There's not much you can't do in Premiere Pro, giving you full control of your vlogs and YouTube videos. Whether you're doing simple edits or getting to more advanced stuff, this editor has everything you need. It comes loaded with features for both beginners and pros, including easy to use panels for color grading, sound refinement, and dynamic graphics. Plus, there are keyboard shortcuts that make it super easy to work. And there's a huge library of templates, presets, effects, and LUTs you can use. One of the best parts, because it's so popular, you can find plenty of resources and tutorials to help you if you get stuck. Just a heads up, though while Premiere Pro is powerful, it comes with a price tag. The subscription costs about $21.99 a month billed annually, and that can add up big time if you stick with it for a few years. But don't worry, I've got the holy grail for you. If you want any tutorials to edit videos that make viewers addicted, then subscribe right now.